Welcome back. Call sign is Chef, and welcome to Ballistics Foam Armory. Today I'm going to be talking about the upgrades I did to my Talon claw. Yes, my personal Talon claw, and this is actually my personal Talon claw. This is sort of the upgrades I have done to it. Is the AR grip style with a flat face trigger, different kind of mag release. Is actually pretty cool. It's actually one-piece mag release. Another thing too is the barrel shroud. This barrel shroud is what they dubbed as a SMG. I'm still running the high-rise Picatinny, but I changed the optic. Optic is actually an Axion. This optic you can actually find in Walmart. It's a red, green, and blue dot. I also added a little bit of a wrap to my grip because I noticed last time I was developing a little bit of an ache in the hand. One thing about this type of setup is that it's a little bit easier. I noticed it's less material. One thing about this grip area with the sear, the trigger, the mag release, the grip insert in the grip, it didn't take that long. It took about 2 days of printing. The barrel shroud took about a day and a half. Took about close to about I think 8 to 9 hours of printing. But hey, it's actually a lot for me as it makes it stand out. The good thing about it is that it still has the same spring, which is the K31. I know people will be saying to themselves, K31, hey, I can still do that. I can still do that. I know his last war with the Talon claw, I wasn't developing like aching elbows, so I was able to get quite a bit of shots out and a couple tags. For this Talon claw, being the way I have it set up now, it's going to be a lot easier, for my opinion. Another thing too is that everything you can find on thingiverse, from the mag release to the grip to the AR style grip. You can also find AR grips on thingiverse. This thing, I gotta say, it actually makes it have that feel like a real steel, but it's not. This is just foam flinging monster that I like. It's for me it's my personal. I'm definitely gonna be doing and probably be making another one pretty soon. I'm still kind of debating on what colors. So, yeah, this is my upgraded Talon claw.